Hello everyone! Welcome sa ating YouTube channel and still nandito tayo sa loob ng Botanical Garden and we will try to maximize yung entrance fee na binayad natin kasi 100 pesos na ang entrance fee as of today. So kung dati 10 pesos lang, ngayon 100 pesos na. And so let's try to check kung ano nga ba yung bago dito sa Cactus and Succulent Greenhouse ng Botanical Garden. So pagpasok ninyo, nandito pa rin yung mga malalaking golden barrels. I think there's no any changes dyan sa area na yan, but in this area I can see a lot of changes. So una nga yung mga nandito sa ground, pinalitan nila yung mga ibang succulents, mostly rose cabbage na yung nandyan, and we have some newly arrived na mga succulents. So I say na newly arrived sila or bagong dating lang itong mga succulents na to kasi they look really good as compared to these succulents na I think ito pa yung mga succulents since last year, and here is an update. So parang kumbaga almost 1 year update ng mga succulents na naka-display dito. As you can see, some of them naging leggy na, some of them have fungus as well. Ayan, makikita ninyo, diba? So it doesn't mean na nasa loob sila ng greenhouse or nasa Baguio sila, is that hindi na sila magkakaroon ng fungus or any other diseases. So kumbaga maintenance talaga is very important para talagang ma-maintain yung ganda ng ating mga succulents. So this one is the bad thing about my visit today dito nga sa greenhouse, kasi mapapansin niyo na hindi talaga ganun ka-healthy yung mga matagal ng succulents dito. I think you would even appreciate this video if you're gonna be watching yung pinaka-first video natin nung nag-open nga itong greenhouse na ito last year, so you can see the difference and have your own comparison, diba? So ayan, these ones are the actual na succulents na naka-display as of today dito nga sa Botanical Garden. Ayan, so I don't know how to feel about it. Ayan, talagang makikita mo talaga na medyo hindi sila naalagaan mabuti. So kumbaga basta nilagay lang sila sa greenhouse and bahala na sila sa buhay nila. Although dito naman sa other side, may nakita naman ako mga magagandang succulents, and I would assume na yung mga naka-display dito nga sa side na to are the new ones, or kumbaga bago lang silang dating dito sa greenhouse kasi they all look very healthy and big. So for example, this one is our Beyonce Rainbow. It's the biggest Beyonce Rainbow na nakita ko. And we have this one as well. Ayan o, diba? They are so stressed and looking healthy. And also this one, ayan o, ganyan siya kalaki. And we have more big succulents doon sa pinakataas na part nitong plant rec na ito. And so let me give you an overview of the succulents. We are currently here sa second level, and as you can see sa dulo, open na siya, and so we will try to explore that part later. So itong nandito ngayon is parang bago ito. It's like parang stante siya, and I don't know exactly why they put yung mga succulents sa loob ng glass na yan. We have here an aquarium na I don't know how to explain or describe it, basta parang ganyan yung kanyang itsura na I don't know if it's like a desert style. And then right next to it naman, we've got this beautiful na mga variegated gymno. So I'm not really a fan ng ganito, pero look at how beautiful yung mga naka-display dito, and ayan, sobrang ganda nila if they are really next to each other. It's very colorful to look at, and it has, I don't know, parang 4 layers ito. So I'm not really sure if they are being sold kasi I cannot really see any price, or simply pang display lang talaga sila. Ayan no, hanggang doon sa pinakababa. And then, ito na nga yung part, dati may shelf dito, pero ngayon inopen na nila, leading to this parang restaurant. So, ito lang yung nag-iisang restaurant sa loob ng Botanical Garden, which is nice kasi pag nagutom kayo, you can just simply dine here, and the prices are very affordable din. And they have a display here ng aquascaping, and itong aquascaping pala is one of my hobby before. So, bago ako nahilig sa mga succulents, ito, aquascaping talaga yung ginagawa ko. And they have smaller tanks sa pinaka baba na part. So, basically, ayan lang yung area na ito. I thought I can really see something na mga kumbaga more displays, pero it's really a restaurant. And sa taas nga pala, they have used different string succulents. So we have string of pearls, string of tears, string of banana. So halo-halo yung nilagay nila dyan, which is really nice to look at. Ayan o. Anyway, going back sa loob ng greenhouse, itong plant shelf na ito is the same. So, matagal na yung nandyan, and even yung mga succulents doon sa likod na part, same lang din yung kanyang setup. It's just that yung iba is nadagdagan lang. And finally, nandito na tayo sa last part ng ating greenhouse tour. And itong area na ito, sobrang daming pinagbago. And from here, diba, kitang-kita na natin yung mga potted succulents. Ayan, so before kasi itong area na to is parang cactus area lang siya. Pero ngayon, ang ginawa nila is naglagay na rin sila ng mga succulents here, which makes this area parang a natural na desert style na may mga succulents and cactus. And yung mga nakalagay dito are big size succulents. So I guess parang nasa 6 inches to 8 inches or even bigger yung succulents na nandito. And this one is something new to me. Parang wala pa akong ganyan. And ayan, let's try to check the other succulents na naka-display dito. So, if you have watched yung pinaka first video natin dito sa loob na ito, walang succulents dito sa area na ito, mainly mga cactus lang. But right now, talagang pinuno nila ng succulents yung area na ito, and I'm actually looking at them one by one, and ang gaganda na naka-display dito. We've got this variegated perforata or yung barbecue. We've got Sedum clavatum, and it reminds me of my mother, Sedum clavatum, na namatay na. We've got variegated campfire dyan. So, hindi lang basta mga common succulents yung mga naka-display dito, but also we have different ornamental plants. Like this one is like the cobra fern. And here, meron din sila dito yung pinakamalaki at pinakamagandang dugong na nakita ko. So, look at how beautiful that dugong is. Ayan. So, sa labas pala nitong greenhouse na ito is pwede kayong bumili ng mga cactus and succulents. So, ayan lang ang update. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent PH.